Hello, and welcome to the fourth port of call on our Victory Cruise Line's Victory 2 Great Lakes Cruise. This is Detroit in the lower peninsula of Michigan and on the northern bank of the Detroit River, which is part of the U.S.-Canadian border. We dock across the river from Windsor, Ontario, and near the General Motors Renaissance Center. We meet the bus on the other side of this Detroit Wayne County Port Authority building for the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation shore excursion in Dearborn, which is included in our cruise fare. As we enter the museum, we realize the challenge of seeing so many exhibits during the 2-hour visit. So, we must ask ourselves, where do we begin? Let's start with the Presidential Vehicles exhibit. This 1972 Lincoln Continental presidential limousine took Reagan to the hospital after his assassination attempt. This 1961 Lincoln Continental presidential limousine was renovated after Kennedy's assassination. The 1950 Lincoln presidential limousine was built for Truman, but Eisenhower used it more and added the plastic bubble top. The 1939 Lincoln presidential limousine was the first car built for presidential use. FDR liked riding in it with the top down. This horse-drawn 1902 broom was used by Theodore Roosevelt for official occasions before automobiles came into use. The Driving America exhibit tells the story of the automobile's impact on American life and culture. A common thread running throughout car history is the need for safety, service, and repair. Vehicle power options include steam, gasoline, diesel, electric, and hybrids. During the 20th century, the automobile gave rise to the experiences associated with the Great American Road Trip. Before these cars made their mark, Americans used public transportation like stagecoaches and trolleys or their own horse and buggy. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it, and all the great dining introduced by the automobile. Let's take a stroll by this historical parade of vehicles from carriage to automobile. It is fascinating to see how the designs evolve and develop through the years. As we move along, you will begin to see models of cars that were introduced earlier in your life. Do any of these bring back fond memories? Sometimes the design process includes concept cars. Check out these classic Ford models from the early 20th century. Go to the Heroes of the Sky exhibit to see a replica of the 1903 Wright Flyer and other aviation artifacts. Take an opportunity to see the current collection gallery like this one for bicycles. Visit Miniature Moments to see a collection of approximately 7,000 Hallmark keepsake ornaments. In the Liberty and Justice for All exhibit, view the rocking chair that Lincoln was assassinated on and the infamous bus where Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat. The Made in America manufacturing exhibit is for enthusiasts who appreciate the materials and the equipment used to assemble those materials into an automobile. Step back in time to see some classic farming equipment in the agriculture exhibit. Hot dog! Check out these kitchens from the past. Makes you appreciate our modern conveniences, doesn't it? We return to Detroit to board the Victory II and continue our cruise to the next port of call. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, click the red subscribe button below. And keep up with our latest videos by clicking the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out these other videos and we'll see you next time.